Hello everyone! Are you familiar with my voice? I'm Caroline, your teacher. Okay, I'm very happy to see you again in the Fine Math practice again. And I think you feel that the content in this week is more difficult than previous, right? So, could you handle it by yourself? Or your parents just accompanied with you to handle the problem? And I think after today's tutorial video, you can improve a lot and you can handle the rest part of knowledge and the questions very well and faster than before. Okay, let's see. The knowledge in day 1 is the labeling and the problem of cow eating grass. So let's see, the first category is the labeling. I can give you an easy question, like here. Avi wants to go to the school from her home. However, she needs to go to the bus station first and then go to the school. How many different shortest? Okay, what it means the shortest? It means she cannot go back. How many different is the rows here are there in total? Okay, so we can see from the home to the bus station, we have 2 rows, right? We can from the first rows or from the second row. And from the bus station to school, we only have one way. Yes, only one way. So how many ways in total? Somebody say, we can from home throw the way 1 to the bus station and then go to the school directly. So this is our first way. And you also can go to the bus station by the way 2, by the second route, and then go to the school directly, right? So we have 2 ways. But I can give you a way, like here. I from home go to the bus station. Let me change another color. Use red. Okay. From home to bus station and then back to home and then go to the bus station and then go to school. This is a new way, right? It's different. But I think this way is useless. Okay, it's useless in our real life. So that's the the short or the shortest route. Yeah, the short routes. You cannot go back. Cannot go back to do some useless and time-consuming way. Okay, you need to drop this kind of way. So just to go ahead and don't go back. So we only have 2 ways here. Only have 2 ways here. Understand? Okay, and next one. This is the question on your paper, right? How many different shots? I think now you know the meaning of shot, right? It means you just go ahead and don't go back. How many different ways are there in total for Justin to go from his home to the triangle? Okay, it's triangle. From home to the triangle. Somebody say, oh, teacher, so here, we need to go to the square and then go to the circle and then go to the triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangle, 4 squares and 2 circles. So 4 times 2. I give you a cross. Yeah, I give you a big cross. It's wrong. Why? Okay, if you want to use the rule of multiplication, it means each square should corresponding to 2 circles, right? Then, like here, like here, like here. Then you can use the rule of multiplication, 4 times 2. But here, through the question we know, actually it's not like that situation, right? So read the question, we can find from home to the square here. If you from this direction, we have 1, 2, 3 ways. And you choose this part, we have 2 ways. You choose this part, you have 3 ways. Choose the bottom one, you have 1 way. one way, only one way, okay? And then you need to go to the circle next. Okay, so if you go this way, the first way, the second way, the third way, the fourth way, and the fifth way. So from the home to the circle, you have 5 ways. Yeah, and you can see 5 is 3 plus 2. Actually, if you want to go to this circle, you only can from this direction or this direction, right? You only can choose one of them, only one of them. So this is the rule of sum, not the rule of multiplication, because you only can choose one way, only one way. So it's 3 plus 2. Yeah, 3 plus 2. From the top ways, you have 3. From the bottom direction, you have 2 ways. So in total, you have 5 ways. Yeah, you have 5 ways. And for this circle, from this direction, you have 3 ways. From this direction, you have 1 way. So in total, you have 4 ways. And then from the circle to the triangle, we can go to the triangle from this direction 5 ways. From this direction 4 ways. So in total, we have 9 ways. Understand, everybody? So actually, this question is not the rule of multiplication. It's the rule of sum. 是简单的加法原理. Understand? Okay. So I hope you can read the question in the next practice. Okay? It's the same way. And the next one, let's just learn the Newton's problem of cows and the fields. Actually, in China, we call it the cow eating grass, 牛吃草问题. Let's read the question. On a grassland, a cow can eat 1 square meters of grass each day. The amount of new grass that grows each day is constant. What is the constant? It means the grass will grow every day. Okay, originally, this grassland have some grass, right? And in the end of the first day, grow some grass, and the second day also grow some grass. And you need to know, the amount of grass is the same in every day. 每天长出的草的数量是相同的。Okay, so 5 cows can eat all grass in 3 days. 6 cows can eat all grass in 2 days. What is the amount of new grass that grows each day? And what is amount of grass originally? So the first question is we need to tell what amount of the grass grit. Oh, okay, we can call it the grow rate. Sorry, the grow rate, 生长率. And the second question is the original grass, 原草量, original grass. Okay, so how can I solve this problem? Actually, we have 2 situations here. The first one, 5 cows can eat all grass in 3 days. Okay, so what's the appetite of the cow? What's the appetite? It means how much grass that the cow can eat in 1 day. So from the first sentence, we know a cow can eat 1 square meters of grass each day. So 5 cows can eat 5 times 1 meters each day, right? And we eat 3 days. You just times 3 is 15. Okay, this 15 square meters is 5 cows eats all grass. It means it's the total grass that the 5 cows eat in 3 days. 这15平方米是5头牛3天吃的总草量 right? So actually this one is the total grass for 3 days. Okay, and the second situation, 6 cows can eat all grass in 2 days. 1 car eat 1 square meters for 1 day. So 6 cars eat 6 meters for 1 day. And we eat 2 days. So just times 2 is 12 square meters. So this is the total grass for 2 days. Okay, so why the total grass is different? Why? Because the grass will grow every day. So the number of days is different. It means the total grass is different, right? If we use the line segment to represent this number, how can you solve it? So we know the total grass actually include 2 parts. One part is the original grass. And the next part is the new grass. Okay, so this 15 meters actually is the original grass and the new grass. How many days of new grass? 3 days. So this is original grass and new grass for 1 day, 2nd day, 3rd day. Okay. And in total, here is 15 square meters. And for the second situation, the original grass actually is the same, right? The original grass in this grass line is the same. It's the same. But the difference is for 2 days. So the new grass only draw 2 little line segment. So this is original grass, this is new grass, new grass, new grass, and new grass, new grass. 2 days new grass. And in total here is 12 square meters. Oh, so I think now compared with 2 pictures, I think you can find the difference, right? Why is difference? 15 minus 12. This is the difference of total grass. Why? Because in the first situation, here, there is 1 day new grass more than the second situation, right? So this difference actually is the growth rate. Yeah, it's the growth rate of the new grass. Actually, the new grass, what happened? The new grass actually is 3. Yeah, it's 3. 3 square meters per day. Okay, this is the answer of the first question. And what is the amount of grass originally? Very easy. You can put this one into each situation. Like I put into the second situation, we know the total amount of grass is 12 square meters, right? And the new grass is 3 meters every day. Here are 2 days new grass. So just use 12 minus 3 times 2. And the answer is 6 square meters. This is the original grass. Yeah, original grass. So now we know the answer. The answer, the first one is 3 square meters per day. And the second one is 6 square meters. That's all. That's all. So, if I give you the summary, the key points of Newton's problem of cows and fields is the difference of total grass. And the second one is the growth rate. And the third one is the original grass. So, the first key point is the difference of total grass, or the difference between the total grass. So we can actually, the question will give you 2 situations, and you compare it with the 2 situations, you can find the difference between the total grass. Why is different? Because the grass is always grow, right? It's always grow. So the difference actually is the new grass grow in some days. And then you can calculate the growth rate. And then you can calculate the original grass. That's all. Okay. I hope you can tackle the problem of core eating grass in the next practice. Okay, come on. See you next time. Bye bye.